Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through an unfiltered architectural audit of Recraft AI, investigating whether this vector-first infinite canvas is the ultimate production workstation for graphic designers or an expensive, credit-hungry sandbox that risks client deadlines. Moving past traditional flat raster generators, Recraft operates inside a fully interactive design board where you can simultaneously generate, upscale, and edit multiple assets side by side using advanced custom models like Recraft V4 and V4 Pro. The undisputed mechanical triumph of this engine is its native one-click vectorization matrix, allowing creators to translate a basic textual description into crisp, infinitely scalable SVG layouts and clean Lottie animations with perfect mathematical path grouping rather than flat, low-resolution pixel grids. This vector control is backed by an incredible zero-shot style locking framework, where uploading a mere 5 brand reference images instantly forces every subsequent graphic, icon pack, or 3D product mockup to match your corporate color palette and visual mood without training complex local weights. Furthermore, their integrated Mockupies depth estimation tool reads the true 3D contour lines of clothes or mugs, naturally wrapping your brand logos around complex folds or curves while maintaining underlying material textures seamlessly. However, looking past this smooth vector speed exposes strict processing limits and unstable mobile performance that draw heavy backlash across creative subreddits. The single most prominent roadblock is their strict individual credit depletion economy, where running basic layout variations, testing complex alpha masks, or executing multi-layered image inpainting rapidly burns through your monthly resource allocation, locking high-volume studios into aggressive tier updates. This operational friction is compounded by strict community moderation boundaries that overzealously block non-pornographic action concepts or gritty cinematic compositions, paired with a complete layout isolation trap, where generated canvas groups do not automatically bind to external design systems like your master Figma component libraries. Ultimately, if you are a digital agency founder, freelance marketer, or UI designer demanding hyper-consistent custom branding, fast logo generation, and instant vector conversion tools, the incredible art-directed layout suite provides an unassailable production speed. But if you require completely unbounded content experimentation or absolute mobile stability during heavy parallel renders, track your usage metrics cautiously, audit your exact weekly asset requirements, test their latest open canvas controls, and leverage this vector engine to scale your visual workflow today. Subscribe the channel for more videos.